Hi, my name is Duncan McNicholl. I'm an African program staff member here in Malawi working on the water and sanitation team. And today what we're going to do is tell you a little bit about the work that we're doing and how things kind of fit together here in the water sector in rural Malawi to make things like this happen, to make community water access a possibility. And the big idea of what we're going to try and show to you today is an idea called the service delivery model, which is basically what we have in Canada. It's a series of interactions between things like communities, government, and the private sector to ensure that people are having water all the time. And that works by being able to monitor installation, being able to do repairs, and being able to look at rehabilitations once things have reached the end of their reasonable service life. And so EWB is working together with many different parts of this. We're working with district government, we're working with the private sector, we're working with communities as well to see how these things can fit together to achieve that goal of people having access to water all the time. So another aspect of water service delivery here in rural Malawi is that everything eventually breaks down. No matter how well designed a project is from the outset, everything has a lifespan, and over time things fall into disrepair. And here we are in Nkata Bay district, and we're at one water point here that has already broken down. We have a Malva pump here, and as you can see, this site has kind of fallen into disrepair, starting to deteriorate, and the walls around has been filled in with sand a little bit. We have some garbage, things growing in it, and then if we pump the water, yeah. We see this one pump. You can see that the water that's coming out of this is terrible. And so we know that things will eventually fall into disrepair. The question is, what happens next? And how do we work within all of the people who we mentioned, the government, the private sector, and communities, to make sure that water points like this are repaired to keep this infrastructure servicing communities? So I'm here in the village of Zinola Lamuzinavici. Mpamba Nkata Bay. Okay. Zinola Njani. Boniface Mbukwa. So I'm here with Boniface Mbukwa, and we're going to talk a little bit about what some of the challenges communities face when they have to repair a broken water point, such as this Afrodev borehole. So Boniface, panyake akanangika, muza muchita vichi.
Para yanangika tukuluta tukumana na komiti, tukumana na komiti au tukumana na arangiza dzao wakati rangizanga na wakati mangiranga na kusangana nao na kuza kutimangira somakola na kutura water guard tukutiramo tizirombo tija tinali nkati tija tifi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mbele muza musanga njani kunoja amukomba.
Yeah.
So akugwira nchito na boma panyake na boma.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ndiposo musanga ndalama kochi kunoja kugula ma spare parts.
Yeah, tikusonga waliyose muzi muno 50 kwacha mpaka zikwane kunusia dzao.
Okay.
Yeah.
So panyake muli nayo suja kunoja nyengo liyose muli nayo suja.
Tikuangana suzu kanandi kuno madirau ya kuanga ya kusuza chifukwa cha nyenyi parata kumana na rangizo kuanga uchedwa oro kuti songane 50 kwacha wanyake wakuanga kuti wakupereka ndalama cha chifukwa cha suzu anjara zinizizi vichi favor.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So
kuno parata isanga kandalama ko 2000 ndiko tupereka kumulangizi na kwagura ma spare part kumuzuzu.
Oh, mumagura ma spare parts kumuzuzu.
Yeah, kumuzuzu.
Oh, yeah, ipene papa kumpamba.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Tawonga chomeni bwana. Yewo.
Nati.
Kulinyifwa. Oh, Papani. He says he's just come from a funeral. Ah, Papani. Do you speak English?
No, I'm Tonga.
You're Tonga? Oh, panyake chitumbuka. Okay, so panyake tikumba kukumba imwe na vya chito yani.
Yeah.
So muchito bichi kuwila
yeah.
Okay.
Tie
kubira.
Okay. Kaga message.
Yeah.
Tandiza kupoza madraw.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ndiposo bantu akukupira imwe?
Bantu akukupira imwe.
Ama lipira ndalama linga.
Oh, ama lipira gani futo ndishoko.
Okay.
Lipira 500.
Oh, 500.
Bana futo ndifulo akulipira 1000.
Okay, so akusita chipuko cha yanangika kwa.
Yeah, uko.
Okay. Tawonga chomeni.
Chomeni.
Chomeni,
When masipepa mwenu kuta tondeka kuandisa maoda nganyaki chifukwa masipepa.
Okay. Chifukwa cha ma spare parts. So mukusanga ma spare parts kuti.
Nyaki mukusanga makomba.
Kuchipiko.
So ndivyo nyaki kutondekesa kwani talent ndinayo kuto yonse mukwanisa.
Okay.
Elephant pump.
Yeah. So munga noje
yose pump.
Yeah.
Mother pump.
Okay.
Yose experience man.
Yeah. No, ndiposo so mulinayo business kunoje mantrao. Quindi panyake mulinayo business nyake panyake business isho pera.
Jeni pera.
Pera. So munga sanga dalama yakwana kukala yuwem.
Ningasanga ba ningawana sports.
Yeah.
Sports ndi unafanya. So nyaki kutendeka kuandisa.
Yeah. Tawonga chumene, mungu nchita.
Ndicho.
Tawonga.
Mukela njoy.